Hey everyone, welcome back to Software Hub. In this 2026 step-by-step tutorial, you're going to learn how to install Windows 7 inside a virtual machine on Windows 11 safely, easily, and without touching your main system. Whether you need Windows 7 for old software, legacy apps, testing, or learning purposes, virtualization is the smartest and safest way to do it. And I'll explain everything in a beginner friendly way. Before that, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future uploads. Let's get started. First of all, I'll give this link in the description. Please click on it. Over here, you have to select your Windows 7 version. The most commonly used version is Windows 7 Ultimate, so select that. Click on it and the download will start automatically. Now, open a new tab. Search for VirtualBox. Open the official VirtualBox website. Click on Download. From here, click on Windows Hosts. It will start downloading VirtualBox. After the download is complete, run the VirtualBox installer and install it normally. Once the installation is complete, open VirtualBox. You will see the new button. Click over here. Give this operating system any name. For example, I'll name it Windows 7. In the folder section, you have to select a location where the partition is empty or has more than 50 GB of free space. This is usually your main C drive, so you can give it more storage if you want. Now, select the Windows 7 ISO file which we downloaded earlier. After that, click Skip Unattended Installation and then click Next. Over here, you have to set the RAM and processors that you want to allocate to Windows 7. I recommend giving half of your system, RAM and processors for better performance. For example, I have 4 GB RAM, so I'll give 2 GB RAM and 2 processors. Now, select how much storage you want to assign. I'll give it 50 GB, but you can give more storage if you want to create multiple partitions inside Windows 7. Click Next and then click Finish. Now, click Start. The Windows 7 installation will begin. Install Windows normally, just like on a real PC. Don't end the video now, because at the end, I'll show you how to set full screen mode. After the installation is complete, click on Devices in the VirtualBox top menu. Then click Insert Guest Edition CD image. Now open File Manager. You will see the Guest Edition CD image. Open it. Run VBox Windows Editions. If the first option doesn't work, try the second one. Now, right-click on the desktop. Click on Screen Resolution. Set the resolution according to your screen size. Now you can use Windows 7 for experiencing old Windows, educational purposes, or making tutorial videos. If this video helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more latest updates. Thanks for watching.